during this episode. And also, please don't forget, buddy, to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red button right here. That'd be so amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, now it's toy time. Let's do this. Woohoo! Now, today we have an Avengers theme. I am so excited. I'm so pumped. We have Spider-Man. We have a Spider-Man surprise Play-Doh egg, an Iron Man surprise Play-Doh egg, a Hulk smash surprise Play-Doh egg, and a Captain America surprise Play-Doh egg. And I'm sure there's tons of goodies inside, so let's do this. Come on. Okay, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Iron Man first. Let's go. Okay, so let's do Iron Man. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, look at this cool mask, huh? Look at that. Little Play-Doh action. Very nice. Okay, so let's lift off the mask. Let's see what is behind the mask. Whoop. Let's see, get some Play-Doh. Oof. There we go. Get that off there. And let's see. Let's look at the mask. See what Iron Man looks like. Yes, open up. Okay, so we'll do that. So here's his mask here. We'll put that down. Cool. Oh, this thing's heavy. Okay, now let's peel back this Play-Doh. Let's see. Okay, cool. Look at this. Okay, what do you think is inside here? Oh, and we have... Oh, wow. Very cool. We got a surprise egg. Ooh, something jingling in there. And we have a Hero Head Jump Up Iron Man. Look at that thing, huh? Press him down, watch him fly. Woohoo! Okay, we're here. Let's clean this up a little bit. Remember, always clean up your mess. Okay, cool. So let's look at this thing, huh? This Hero Head Jump Up. Very cool. Press him down. Oh, he jumps up. He's got a little springy thing. Oh, very cool. Okay, well, let's do this. Let's see. Let's open him up. Okay, that. Oh, need to be the Hulk to get this thing open. Oh. Okay. Oh, very cool, huh? Okay. Oh, there we go. Put it over there. Very cool, huh? Very cool. Okay, let's see. Let's try it. Press him down. Watch him pop up. Press him down. Oh. Let's see. What am I doing wrong? Press him down. And, I don't know about this thing. Oh, hey, buddy. Okay, well, we'll put him there. Okay, get the box out of the way. Okay, let's see what's inside the egg, right? Let's see what's in the surprise egg. Oh, what do we got in here? We have a, oh, look, it's a mini block figure. And it looks like, oh, it's an Iron Man mini block figure. Look at that. Oh, let's put them together. Oh, look at that. How cool is that? Oh, man. So cool. Let's see. Let's see if we can get all these pieces and show you. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. Let's open them up. Oh. Let's make sure we get all the pieces out of here. Oh, wow, look at that thing, huh? Oh, there's tons. Holy, look at all these little pieces. Holy cow. Right, there's Tony Stark, Iron Man. Okay, whoa, let's see if we can put him together really quickly, okay? Let's see. Looks like we need, This goes here, maybe? Goes there. Oh, he spins. Spins. There we go. There you go. There he is. You see he spins around. Some kind of crane thing here, right? Very, very cool. Back. They're awesome. I love these little minifigures. These guys are awesome. It looks like we got an extra arm. Looks extra hand here. Put that in there. Maybe he's doing fixing his armor. Whoop, can't see that. Oh, and then we'll also, we got another extra piece there too. Cool. Okay, there's Iron Man minifigure. Woohoo! Cool. Okay, we'll put him down there. Nice. Cool. Okay, now next, let's do Spiderman. Spiderman does whatever a spider can. Very cool. Oh, that. Okay, now let's take the mask off. Oh! Does anybody know who Spiderman is, who his alter ego is? Let me know in the comments below. Just testing your knowledge. I know, but I want to see if you guys know. Okay, so there's the Spider-Man mask. Very cool. Let's see what it looks like. Ooh. That's what it looks like to be Spider-Man. How cool is that, huh? Ooh. Okay. There's the mask. And look at this. Oh, look at this hunk of Play-Doh love right here. Here we go. Okay. Oh, there's a lot in here. Oh, let's see what's in here. Something jingly-jangling. Okay, let's peel back this Play-Doh. Oh, here we go. Oh, let's get the Play-Doh out of there. Bink. Okay. Oh, do this tape. Oh. Oh, put some more tape. Oh, wow, this thing isn't messing around, huh? Okay. Oh, oh, there we go. Oh, what do we got in here? Oh, nice. Very cool. It looks like we have an Avengers puzzle tin. Right. That's cool. Right. Nice. Put that over there. Oh, we have a Marvel blind bag. Sweet! Look at that. That's awesome. Woohoo! Oh, very cool. Oh, man. Series 1. Awesome. We do that. And we got a surprise egg. Oh, very cool. Okay, so let's do this. Right? So we always clean up. Do that. Bing, boom. Put him over there. Okay, sweet. We got that. Okay. Let's see. Oh, this surprise. Oh, and it looks like, oh, look. Oh, wow. We got a Spider-Man minifigure. How cool is that? He's got his web and a stand. Oh, very cool. Let's open him up. Let's see. Oh, looks pretty easy to put together compared to the Iron Man was. Yeesh. Okay, let's get that out. Whoop. There we go. There's his stand. His web. That's pretty crazy. Here's Spider-Man. Very cool. Okay, so let's put him on the stand. There we go. Nice. Let's see how. Put it right here, I guess. There you go. Hold! Shoot my webs! He's dangling. He's swinging. Nice. Pretty cool. There's a Spider-Man mini block figure. Very cool. Nice. Okay, cool. Put him over there. Awesome. And then open the blind bag. This is gonna be sweet. Oh, I love these things. Let's see, there's 24. Oh, using this and this one. Here's a card. All the ones you can get. Here's the back. Here's the other. Or are they all the same? Nope, they're different. Okay. Very cool. All right, nice. Okay. And let's see who we got. Who we got? Oh, we got the Punisher. Oh, look how cool that is, huh? Nice. That is awesome. Oh, Punisher is one of my favorites. Look at him, huh? Very cool. He's awesome. Don't want to mess with the Punisher. He brings the pain. Brings the pain! Okay. Do that there. Very cool. Okay. Sweet. Okay, awesome. Put him there. Very cool. Okay. Sweet. Okay, let's do Hulk next. Hulk! Hulk smash! Put his eyes. Some eyes in there for him. Hey! Hey, buddy! Hulk angry! Hulk angry! Nice. Okay, so let's take off Hulk's... Oh, let's take off the mask. Bink. Cool. Here's a Hulk mask. Very cool. Let's see what it looks like being the Hulk. Hulk smash! Hulk angry! Very cool. Okay, put him there. Oh, here's the ball. There's a surprise egg. Surprise Play-Doh egg. Let's see what's in here. Ching, ching, ching. Okay. Let's peel back this Play-Doh. Okay, here we go. Now we're cooking. Oh, let's see. I wonder what's inside this one. Okay. Get this Play-Doh out of the way. Oh, a lot of Play-Doh, huh? Bunk. Okay, get this open. Oh. And what do we got in here? We got, oh! Oh, look at this, guys. Holy cow. Okay, hold on. Just remember, clean up. Clean up. There you go. Okay, oh, we got another one of those hero head jump ups, but this is the Hulk version. Very cool. Okay, hopefully this one will work better than the Iron Man one. And then, oh, look at this thing. Holy Toledo. Look at the size of this mini block figure. Oh, man. It's a Hulk one. Oh, this is crazy. Look at all these pieces. Okay. Man, this is going to take a little bit to... Ooh, I'm so excited. This is good. Oh, man. I hope I know how to put it together. Okay, so what we're going to do is... Let's open this thing first. Let's get this out of the way. Okay. Oh, oh man! Whoopsie! See what happens when you're all excited? Okay, I'm sure that goes back on. There we go. Bink. Okay, put him back on. There you go. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, whoop. Okay, Hulk. Here he is. Hulk smash! Right? Okay, let's see if he jumps up and down. Oh wait, remember, do I have to take him off maybe? I think this toy is Snoozeville. 2 thumbs down. Boo-hoo. That's what I think. Yeesh, both those guys. Oh man. Okay, anyway, here, let's open this bad boy up instead. Okay, now the Hulk mini block figure. This looks fun. Okay, let's see. Man, look at all these pieces. Holy Toledo. Okay, here we go. So looks like we've got the body here. That thing. Man, so cool. Got some arms. What else do we have? Here, let me get this up before I start building it. Let you guys see all the pieces. It's 2 arms. He's got a stand. And he's got a wrench. Right here. Some kind of pickaxe, maybe? Some other pieces. Let's see. Very cool. Okay, let's build them. Let's do this! And there we go. The Hulk minifigure. Hulk smash. Hulk angry. I don't need a wrench. I don't need a hammer. Very cool. Look at him, huh? So cool, man. He's awesome. He's like, grrr, Hulk smash, Hulk angry. So cool. His arms move around, or his hands move. Very cool. His head. Grrr, grrr. Very cool. Okay, sweet. Put that back over there. Give him this little wrench to play with. Very cool. Okay. That's the Hulk. Put that there. Cool. And last but not least, let's do Captain America. My favorite. Woohoo! When Captain America throws his mighty shield, all those opposed his shield must yield. Nice. Okay, let's take off Cap's mask. Put some eyes in him. Let's see. Okay. Oof. Okay. Bunk. There we go. Cap's mask. Very cool. Let's see what it's like to be Captain America. Hulk! Put down the wrench! Tony! Stop messing around! Spidey! Get back here! Cool, there you go. And here's the Play-Doh egg. Ooh, jingly jangly. Okay, let's peel it back. Oh, nice. Ooh, very cool. Okay, let's pick up our mess. Always pick up the mess. And, let's see if we get this open. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Oh, there we go. And we have, woo! Oh, look at this! Look at these little goodies we have. We have a surprise mystery egg. Oh, we have a Mash'em. Oh, nice. And what is this? Original Minis Avengers. Age of Ultron. One surprise pack in each figure. I'm sorry, one surprise figure in each pack. Oh, very cool. Another blind bag. Avengers blind bag. Oh, look. Oh, very cool. Sweet. Series 1. Okay. Let's put this stuff over here. Okay. Sweet. Okay, so let's open the mystery egg first. Oh, nice. We have a Captain America mini black figure. Sweet. Look at that. Huh? Very cool. Oh, nice. Okay. Here, let's move this stuff over. We'll get to this in a second. Open him up. These things have a lot of pieces. Cool. Looks like we got another stand. We had last time for Iron Man. Look at all these things. We got a shield. Okay. Very cool. There's Cap. Very cool. Look at all this goodness, huh? Nice. Okay, let's put them together. Oh, very cool. There we go. Sweet. How cool is that? So there's a Captain America mini block figure. Twist him around. Very cool, huh? Look at him. Cap's my all-time favorite. He's my favorite superhero. Nice. Very cool. And looks like there's a stand for his shield. In case you want to put it there, take it off. Whoop. Sorry, guys. Put that there. Oh. There you go. Very cool. Nice. Sweet. Okay, so let's put that right there. Cap up. Extra hand. It's so funny how they give you extra hands. Can I get an extra hand? Okay, here we go. And we got to mash them. Woohoo! So this is Mash 'em, Avengers Mash 'em, and we got a Series 2 here. Let's see. What do you think? What do you guys want? Let's see. Whoop. Hi, guys. Let's see. Let's open these up. Okay, and we have... Oh, we have Iron Man! Look at that! It's a warning label. Okay, it's garbage. And look at him, huh? So cool. Oh! Nice. Very cool. Okay. Put him over here. We should put him next to Iron Man, since it's Iron Man. And we have the Avengers blind bags. Let's open this bad boy up. Let's see. Wonder who we're gonna get. And we have... Oh, we got Colonel Fury. Okay, so we got Colonel Fury. Cool. So you got a little base there with the Avengers logo on it from the stand-on. Looks like this is, I think this is some kind of help him stand. Let's see, put that in there. Yep, there you go. Cool. Get him out of here. There's nothing else in there. Nope. Garbage. Oh, nice. Nice. Very cool. Oh, looks like it's in the back there. Oh, there you go. And it's a stand. Oh, very cool. Looks like he turns around too. Very cool. Colonel Fury's the best. Very cool. Nice. Okay, put that down. Cool, not bad, not bad. Oh wait, you know what I forgot? I'm sorry, I forgot to open this up. This is from Spider. I forgot to open the puzzle. I'm sorry, guys. So I got to open this puzzle up. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, and we go. Oh, guys, you know what time it is? Oh, we have puzzles, but and more importantly, it's name surprise time. Woohoo! Man, good thing I remembered. That would have been awful. Okay, first name surprise of today of this episode is Gavin. Gavin, hey buddy, today's your lucky day. What's up, Gavin? Sweet. Okay. Name surprise number 2 is Ethan. Ethan, buddy, today's your lucky day. Hey, buddy, what's going on, Ethan? And next name surprise is Jonathan. Johnny, today's your lucky day. What's going on, buddy? Hey, Jonathan. And the next name surprise is Colin. Colin, hey, buddy, today's your lucky day. What's going on, buddy? And the next name surprise is Mason. Mason! What's going on, buddy? Today's your lucky day. And that's it. So name surprises are today, in this episode, were Mason, Colin, Jonathan, and Ethan. And we have Gavin. Woohoo! Nice, guys! Sweet! And there's all the name surprises. And obviously we got a puzzle, but we're gonna put this. I'm gonna put this together later, right? So put that back in the tin. And not a bad haul today, guys. What do you guys think? What do you think, buddy? Pretty cool, huh? I think so. I mean, look at all this great stuff we got. We're so blessed, right? Not only do we have 4 awesome Avenger masks: Spiderman, Iron Man, Hulk, and Captain America, right? But we got a Punisher figure and a Spider-Man mini block figure. Whoop, as I hold it, cover up his head for you, right? We got the surprise tin with the name surprises and the puzzles. We got an Iron Man mash 'em. We got an Iron Man mini figure or mini block figure. We got these 2 guys, right? The Hulk and the Iron Man bouncy guys that don't bounce. We had the awesome. This guy is my favorite with the big Hulk mini block figure, right? And then we got a Captain America mini block figure, right, with his shield. So cool. And we had a mystery blind bag Avengers Age of Ultron with Colonel Fury. Or Nick Fury. Pretty cool. I don't know about you guys, but I am excited. Woohoo! So that's it for this episode, buddy. If you want your first name to be one of these name surprises in the next episode,